How you going, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is just a catch up on the XB Coupe, what I've got done over the last few weeks. Now, I have been out of the shed 3 days a week for the past, I think, 4 or 5 weeks. Now, I've been down at DNA Paints doing a lot of content creation. If you want to see more of that, jump onto the DNA Paints YouTube channel, their social media platforms as well, and check out some of the stuff I've been painting. It looks pretty rad. I love their colors, and I'm pretty sure you will as well. Anyway, with that being said, guys, this is just going to be a video of some of the progress that I've made on the car over the last few weeks. So let's roll on those clips right now. So regarding the guards, I've basically repaired the whole guard except for the wheel arch. A section has actually been welded in here. Hopefully my camera will stay focused. So there's a join, a weld through here. It's actually caused a high spot there. So I may have to tap that down and put a skimmer filler over this area here. In saying that, the rest of it's pretty decent. I've kind of ran my hand over it and it does feel pretty good. I will need to do some repairs down the bottom of the guard there. Apart from that, this guard is ready for primer. Here we have the 2 doors fully repaired for the XB Coupe. I finished all the repairs off in 240, used the big kid blocks to run over it, and I tell you what, these doors are dead straight. I can't wait to get a nice wet coat of primer on and check them out. So I prepped the insides with red Scotch-Brite and 240, took those door latches off, got a razor blade and chopped all that old glue from the door cards off the doors on both of them. It's pretty much just a matter of mixing up some primer and hitting it. So the gun of choice for primer is the Slim Xlight by Walcom. It's a HTE spray gun. I've got it in 1.9. I've sprayed some thinners through the gun. Being a brand new gun, it's always good to spray thinners through, get some plumber's tape, put it around all the fittings, make sure this gun is ready to rock and roll. So with that being said, guys, let's mix up some primer and get into it.